Hello, this is Steve Thoele, Principal Broker with Premier Property Group, and bringing you another weekly update on the Newberg, Oregon real estate market. This update will cover the last 6 weeks of market activity, ending this past Sunday, May 1st. So I'll share my screen with you now and go through some info with you. So first off, we'll look at active listing activity. So this last week in Newberg, I show that we had 23 homes come on the market, just a little bit more than the week prior and kind of set a new high for the past 6 weeks. And then as of the end of the week, we had 31 homes in total active on the market, just about the same as last week. And then the median price and days on market for those actives, we were right around 625,000 for a whole month start of this period. And in the last couple of weeks, it's dropped quite a bit because of all these newer listings that could have been coming on the market at a lower price point. So it's been driving down the median list price, which is good to see. And then the days on market, it has been between 3 and 13 days. This last week came in at 6. Moving on to the pending sales. This last week we had 21 homes go pending, which you'll see was a high for the 6 weeks here. And then that pushed up the total number of pendings to 70, which was quite an increase over the prior week and a new high for this past 6 weeks. And then median price and days on market for the pendings, we had a low of 482, and then we were at 525 there for about 3 weeks. This last week kind of dipped down to 490 was the median pending price. And then days on market's been very steady at just about 5 days over the past 6 weeks. And then lastly, we'll look at sold listing activity. So as of the time I put this together, I show that there was 7 homes that went from pending to sold this last week, which is down from the prior few weeks here. And if you look back over the prior 4 weeks or the last month, we were at 45 total, which you'll see has been very steady here over the past month on a weekly basis. It's been right at 44, 45 homes every week. That's looking back a month has been very steady. And then the median price and days on market for those solds the last couple of weeks has been holding at 525, which is you'll see a kind of a low for the 6 weeks here. And then days on market, again, very steady between 4 and 5. That's been 4 for the past 4 weeks. And then lastly, we'll look at the weeks of inventory and the sale price as a percent of the original list price. So the red bars is the weeks of inventory, and had a low of just under 2 weeks of inventory. And this last couple of weeks, it's been right at just under 3 weeks of inventory. So it hasn't moved a whole lot. It's been between 2 and 3 weeks here over the past month and a half. And then the sale price as a percent of the list price, you can kind of see that that's remains elevated above, list price. So we've been firmly above list price now for well over a month. And, this last week came in at just under 3%. So 102.8% of the list price. So obviously still, very much seller's market and very competitive for buyers, certainly. So to get a better look at the updates, you can click the link or button below the video. It'll take you to my website where you can have a closer look if you'd like. So hope this update has been helpful and informative for you. I certainly would welcome the opportunity to become your trusted realtor and help you move through life. So just give me a call at 503-680-2065 or send me a message and I would be happy to help. So thanks for watching and have a great day.